Hello, we from Group 6 will reading and explaining the journal entitled A New Two-Tier Strength Assessment Approach to the Diagnosis of Weakness in Intensive Care and Observational Study. Previously introduce our group members. Number 1, Fatika Citra. Number 2, Kalisa Putri Azalia. Number 3, Stephen William. Number 4, myself, Zagar Prawira. And number 5, Zahwa Alivia. Here we will reading and explaining in outline. Introduction, methods, result, discussion, conclusion, and acknowledgement. Introduction. Intensive Care Unit Acquired Weakness or ICU-AW is a significant problem. There is currently widespread variability in the methods used for manual muscle testing and hand grip dynamometry or HGD to diagnose ICU-AW. This study was conducted in two parts. The aims of this study were to determine the inter-reader reliability and agreement of manual muscle strength testing using both isometric and true range techniques using the Medical Research Council SAM score and a new 4-point scale, and to examine the validity of HGD and determine a cut-off score for the diagnosis of ICU-AW for the new 4-point scale.
Methods. Part 1 involved evaluation of muscle strength by two physical therapists in 29 patient ventilates until 248 hours. Manual strength testing was performed by both physical therapists using two techniques, isometric and through ranks. And two scoring system, traditional 6-point Medical Research Council scale and a new collapsed 4-point scale. Part 2 involved assessment of hand grip strength conducted on 60 patients. A cut-off score for ICU-AW was identified for the new 4-point scoring system.
Result. Study summary muscle strength assessment in ICU. Part 1. Reliability. Two physical therapists assessed 29 ICU patients using MRC-SS and HGD. The 4-point scale showed better reliability than the 6-point scale. HGD was highly reliable with slightly lower score in males. Part 2. Validation. 8 physical therapists assessed 60 patients. ICU-AW incidence 42%. HGD was valid for diagnosing ICU-AW, though specificity was lower in females. ICU-AW was associated with delayed awakening, longer hospital stay, and lower likelihood of discharge to home.
Discussions. This research emphasizes the best approaches for diagnosing ICU-acquired weakness, ICU-AW, the isometric methods of manual muscle testing, MRC-SS, showed higher consistency between assessors, kappa equal 0.72, and better diagnostic accuracy than the short range technique, kappa equal 0.26. A simplified 4-point scoring system with a cut-off score below 24 out of 36 provide improved agreement for diagnosing ICU-AW compared to the traditional 6-point scale, especially when paired with isometric testing.
Conclusion. The isometric technique is recommended with reporting on a collapsed 4-point scale because HGD is easy to perform and sensitive. We recommended a no-to-tear approach to diagnosing ICU-AW. The first test hand grip strength with follow-up strength assessment using the isometric technique for muscle strength testing in hand grip strength falls below calf score. Whilst our results for the 4-point scale are enduring, further resize is required for to confirm the findings of the study and determine the validity of the 4-point scoring system and COV score developed of less than 24 out of 36 before recommending adoption into clinic practice.
Acknowledgement. The author would like to acknowledge and thank the staff of the Physiotherapy and Intensive Care departments at Austin Health, Melbourne, Australia, for their ongoing support of the project. Selina Emperi was supported by a National Health and Medical Research Council PhD scholarship. Hashtag 103923. And this is the journal reference. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching.